Hey guys, how's it going? You know, working that 9 to 5, if you will, it really can take a toll on you. And I just thought it would be good to show you just the kind of toll that it can take. I started into working into that corporate world, doing that 9 to 5, and I've been there 20 years. And now I'm going to show you just exactly what that corporate world can do when I've said things about how it can suck the life out of you and how you should probably find some other kind of entrepreneurial thing. Okay, so check this out. After 20 years in a 9 to 5 job, yeah, that's what you look like. It turns all the hair white. It's crazy. So, unless you want to be, what do they call it, premature aging, I'd get out of that 9 to 5, and I'd get out of it quick. You don't want to end up looking like this at 45, do you? Yeah, I'm talking soft because that 9 to 5 takes the job away from you. So, if you'd like to learn how you could get out of your 9 to 5, why don't you just leave me a comment that says, show me. And before you do that, how about you hit the like and the follow?